Hey guys, what's up? So today I have somewhat of a challenge video, I guess you could say. So basically I saw Karis do this video on where she recreated Pinterest outfit ideas and it was such a cool video. I loved it. She did a great job. So I kind of wanted to take that video and do a little bit of a twist on it. So basically I'm going to be trying to recreate Pinterest outfit ideas, but with only the clothes that I already own. Whatever's in my closet. I'm not gonna go out and buy anything. No. So I basically have, I think maybe 4 or 5 outfits to recreate. Let me tell you, it was a challenge to try to get things as similar as possible that I already own to match the outfits. It was a challenge. It was a struggle. So basically I have all of the clothing already picked out, but I haven't tried anything on yet. So we're gonna go through this together and see how good of a job I actually did, if I, recreated the outfit decently or not. We'll see. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. So the first outfit, this one's actually very basic and you think it would be somewhat easy, but this was one I actually struggled a lot with. She has this long sleeve, kind of t-shirt dress on and some over-the-knee boots, but I could not find anything that matched her dress, like at all, nothing. The closest I got to it was this long sleeve right here, but as you can see, mine has like this detailing on the arms, whereas hers definitely doesn't. And hers is actually more of like a turtleneck, it looks like, whereas this one's just not a turtleneck. The funny thing about this is I'm actually gonna be wearing this backwards because this is the front and I'm gonna be wearing it backwards. So that's the struggle, guys, that's the struggle. So for the boots, it was pretty easy because I do already own a pair of over-the-knee shoes. Hers are gray, mine are black, so that's the only big difference there. Okay guys, here is outfit number 1. So this is, the concept is there, but it's just not right. First of all, this shirt is way too short. I feel like, my butt cheek is gonna fall out at any given moment. So obviously it's not super similar to the one in the photo, but it's not bad. Would I actually wear this? Maybe if it was the right length, yes, maybe I would. Yeah, there's outfit number 1, guys. So basically this one was actually not too difficult to recreate, surprisingly. Basically went with this white bodysuit. She is wearing some sort of a white tank, so I thought this was pretty similar. Her jacket is so cool. It has like fringe on the side. Unfortunately, I don't own a leather jacket with any kind of fringe, but I do own one pretty similar to hers. So this leather jacket right here, don't worry, you won't see the red in the picture. And for pants, she's just wearing some basic black distressed jeans, which I have right here, so that was pretty easy. Unfortunately, I don't own any shoes that look like hers, so I had to go with what's the most similar in my closet, which were these guys right here. We'll see how it all works out, who knows. Okay, so here is this outfit. I honestly feel like I did a pretty decent job, to be honest. Like, the only thing that's really not there, I'm gonna take these sunglasses off because I can't see what I'm doing. I feel like the only thing that's like not the same as the picture is obviously the fringe on her jacket and the shoes, but like besides that, it's pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I am not gonna lie, I actually really like this outfit and I would for sure wear it. Like, this is a very me outfit. Whew. It is not the day for a leather jacket though. I am dying of heat right now. So outfit number 3, I had kind of a hard time with because I have a lot of pieces that are very similar to hers. They're just kind of like opposite colors. Basically the top that she's wearing, I have like the exact same one, but mine's in white. So we're just gonna have to go with that, I guess. Like I said, again, with the, colors not being the same, this is actually my mom's cardigan, so Mom, I stole your cardigan, sorry. It's just this very long knit cardigan. Hers is more like a beige, whereas this one's obviously gray, so we did our best. So for pants, she's kind of wearing like a lighter denim. These were the closest that I had in my closet, so hopefully they do the job, we'll see. The belt was pretty easy. I just grabbed a basic black belt. For the shoes, this was a struggle because I literally don't own anything that looks like her shoe. Nothing. So I kind of had to improvise. I don't know if this is gonna look good or not. We may have to switch up the shoe once we try it on. Not sure, but I went with my Vans. I don't know. So I kind of went with like the closest thing that I had, which is not very close at all. I actually am obsessed with this outfit. Like, I love it so much. Obviously, like I said, there's some big color differences going on with mine and hers. But, I mean, I feel like overall the concept is there. I got it down pat. The only thing I would probably change about this outfit is the shoes. I don't necessarily think I like the Converse. I don't think I necessarily like the Vans. Oh my god. I don't know why I picked such warm outfits to wear. It's hot. Obviously, I don't have her like little mini sunglasses that she had, but you know, that's okay. Oh, by the way, please excuse my messy bed. My dog was laying on it and I really didn't feel like, you know, interrupting his sleep. So we're just gonna have to have a messy bed for a little bit, okay? Okay. I would for sure wear this outfit again. I'm obsessed with it. I love the cardigan and like this lace bodysuit together. I think they look so friggin' good, so yeah, what do you guys think of this outfit? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Let me know. So the skirt, I actually like literally have the exact same skirt that she's wearing there, so that was perfect. I actually don't own any dark denim jackets, so I went with this kind of like thin denim button-up. Hopefully that kind of can work. I'm not sure if it'll look too great over the sweater, but we'll see. So for the sweater, I was actually debating between two. One was this kind of like cream colored, more on like the yellow side, and then the one I actually chose was this like pinky color. But I figured this one would kind of go more because the one she has in the picture is more like a, it's kind of like taupey, right? I figured this one would probably look better than the yellow, so we'll see. So here's this outfit. So basically, I don't know if I necessarily like this outfit on me for some reason. I don't know. Her turtleneck is definitely a lot like higher than mine is, and she's just got the jacket like draped over her shoulders like this. Obviously it kind of looks kind of weird because I'm holding a camera, but I think it's cute. I don't think I would necessarily wear this because I don't normally wear my jackets like this, but yeah, I do think it's very, very cute. I think this outfit is like pretty decently matching hers, except like the turtleneck part, like if mine was like up here, it might match hers. For the last and final outfit, basically for the shirt, I went with this striped button-up. It actually looks very similar to the one she has on, so I'm pretty happy about that. For the jeans, hers are really only ripped in the knee. That's what I can see anyways. But mine are just a little bit more distressed than that, but I don't think that'll be a huge issue. So for her shoes, it's kind of hard to see what she's wearing, but it just looks like a pair of like basic black booties. So I just went with these guys right here. I think that'll do the job, so yeah. Okay, so I think by far this is the most like spot on outfit to the picture. I even did my hair like hers, so yep. And it's super casual and basic, and I feel like everybody kind of has something like this in their closet, so it's super easy to find. I definitely think this is like the best one yet for looking like the photo, so pretty proud of that, I'm not gonna lie. That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know how you think I did on the outfits. I definitely struggled a little bit. This was actually such a fun video to do. I haven't really done any like challenges on my channel before, so this was the first and it was pretty difficult, not gonna lie. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate that. I I hope you all have a great week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. This one's out. They were like... Cool. My hair is bugging me.